They say between us only. Okay, good morning. Alright, so this is a presentation for working from home during circuit breaker for almost 3 weeks. Okay. Okay, so this is a table contents. So what we do is a compilation of daily report and weekly report, review and sending dark comments to SRE and SDE. Then we have a team discussion by Skype. Then attend weekly meeting between LTE, CCG or QPS through Skype. Okay, so through Skype, yes. No. No, only the weekly report. Okay, continue. So this is the compilation of daily report, and this is a weekly report. So daily report will be sent in every day, and weekly report is like every week. Okay, this is me doing the compilation. Okay, so this is a discussion through email of DAR comments from SD and SRA. So this is some of the comment from DAR 112, 5CAP, and 00968. So here is when I do the reviewing for DAR. So here, taking some notes for 112, 0108, and 00968. Okay, so this is the team discussion meeting through Skype, QPS. So we do the team meeting 2 to 4 times a day. So this is the comments, for example, comments from 0096. This is we discuss these things and send it to QPS. Okay, this is the weekly meeting by contractor and LTA. So mostly we discussed about progress by technical or submission, mostly. Okay, this is the part 2, DAR review by RTO. So this is how I do the reviewing. Okay, so this is first the sequence of the DAR review. First we receive the DAR from CCG, and then the SRE and SDE distributed to RE and RTO to review and do some comments. And here we do some review and comments. Then we send back to SDE and SRE. Then SDE and SRE will compile and finalize, send to QPS. QPS approve, send back the DAR to SRE and SDE, and SDE will dispatch. So for example here, the RTO review sequence, for example, the DAR number 00968. This is a MS for installation or removal of sheet files, static weather for P18. So I go through the general comments, middle statement, first assessment, and construction drawing. Okay. So general comments, so here I check the important matter for further reference. So this is our approved comments. So one of my contribution comments is here, is number 6. Then I go through the middle statement and go through with the location plan. So I verify the location, work location, I compare it to the approved drawing. So this is the location. Then I check it through by comparing it to the approved drawing. So this is approved drawing for construction. So this is correct. Then through the workflow, middle statement workflow. So verifying, checking the workflow diagram, the sequence according to approved drawing. So this is their proposed their diagram from the DAR. This is the sequence, and this is the sequence from approved drawing. So most likely is match. And then installation process. Okay, the installation process, I verify, check installation process. Installation diagram to the safe working procedure. So this is the installation diagram. So, and this is the safe work procedure. So like example, here they're using a vibro hammer. So I check it if it's correct. So vibro hammer, some of the reduce, maintain the reduce load here, keep the working reduce in the correct for excavator. Then I go through the risk assessment. So in risk assessment, first thing I check is the authorized personnel involved. So this is the authorized personnel involved with their signature. And then I go through the recent update of the RA. So here is the recent update. Okay. After that, I go to check some risk metrics. For example, this item, mobilization. So the initial assessment, the initial assessment is initial assessment of this item. So we have the frequency and severity. So 4 and 9. So this is 4, this is 1. So it's become B. B is undesirable. So now what we do is I will check also the reduction assessment. So they will reduce the assessment here. They reduce to minimum risk. So here are the assessment now become 5 and 1. 5, 1 here, C. So become tolerable. Last, after this, I go through the I go through the inspection and test plan. So first thing I go with the check for this test plan is the reference number. So this is the reference number for this DAR, test plan for this DAR. After that, I check the QSQC team, who's doing the submission and doing the testing and doing the review of the document. So example here, main code, subcode, and then LTA. Okay, and then I go check and highlight to the SRE about you should submit the MELT certificate. Once you should submit the MELT certificate, I also check their testing procedure, like what they do in inspection and testing. So mostly here they use this one and MPI test. Okay. Lastly is I do go through the approved drawing. So for this approved shop drawing goes here is T052. So this is I go through the correct reference number. This is correct reference number. And then after that, I check the approved for construction drawing here. Approved for construction drawing. After that, the latest revision. Check the latest revision. And then go with the PE signature and stamp. Here is the PE signature and stamp. Others is check the drawing details with the general notes. Mostly this is the important thing I do, especially when it's on the site inspection. And that's all. Thank you. Yes, sir? Yeah. Yes, correct. Basta yun.